How to delete all notifications on YouTube. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now first of all, go to your YouTube account and make sure that you're logged into the account. Then tap on your profile at the bottom right corner of the screen. Then tap on the little gear icon at the top right corner of the screen, which is the settings of the application. So just tap on the little gear icon and scroll down until you find the option of notifications. Then tap on it, and as you can see that all the notifications are enabled. So what we're going to do is we're going to disable all these notification and these options. Now when we disable all these options here, the notifications will be disabled on YouTube. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today and see you next time.